My kids father come like one perplex, the man come like one something lie down on my back. Me no know what kind of old house this me have a travel for my shoulder years, span up a year.
Yeah man people, welcome back to Wull on the YouTube channel. Bless up on yourself, you know the style. Please consider subscribing if you're new. So make we jump in on the video now. Alright, watch and see. Alright guys, so what's up here? Spice, the dancehall queen, sets a box and come up front to the media. You see me? I'm most to the media still because I know viewers that see me, you see me? She sets up and talk to the things about her baby father, which enough people don't really know, you see it, and in a check level, I'm sure the world one, so watch and see what going, you see me?
Like one something lie down on my back. Me no know what kind of old house this me have a travel for my shoulder years, span up a years. When something good for happen, when you do nothing for the kids, them me not hear from you. Me one and God, me pin them there Atlanta. How much more now on quarantine? Me not hear ya. Hey, you know how much food? Hey. You know how much things and food and you pin them one this, them one. Me no see a post on Instagram and I say, boy, me pin them lock up at Atlanta. I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that and I'm going to... You're the America now. Me no see you. And one time you come here, come look for them. But you called the picnic last night and you claim that the picnic text like I know him and me a take with phone from the picnic and me a text to the picnic. Your picnic not there, yeah. Nicholas not there, yeah. You know, text me as a big man, text me as the mother. I said, Grace, what happened to Nicholas, this or happened or whatever. Well, you gone on Instagram can post because that's your energy, you love hype, you love clouds. And you claim say you want to be a big man now. Text me as the mother to find out what's going on. Now run up on Instagram because you always want to tear me down. You want people to have bad things to say about me. You don't have nothing good to say about me. But yet still I mean one Jesus and God. I take care of your two pitney them. Love me no man. Love me. Leave me alone. Big man, come off of my back. Let me walk and can't stand up and breathe. Come off of my back. Jesus Christ, man. When we do you in a life, so come off of my back. You get up out of the... Instagram and me and I have nothing. Nicholas not there, yeah. Me not have no phone. Nicholas have him phone. If you want, you call him on WhatsApp. Call him, video call him. Me a pack up to leave. Look, come like say, somebody where because you not send me DM. When I screenshot of my baby father, I say, so screenshot this and go tell my baby father. Say, me say, see there, my house empty, everything I clear out. I move. So when I tell you, see there, the house empty. Nicholas not there, yeah. When I call my baby father and tell him, say, me say, the house empty. Tell him, me say, Nicholas not there, you see it there. Hold on, come like, when anybody want to screenshot this and say, go give my baby father. See the room here. Nicholas not there, yeah. Him not here. Me not have no phone to hide. Me not take no phone from no picnic. Me not try stop nobody from talk to no picnic. Nicholas is not here. So no send it, go tell me baby father do. Call him and tell him. Say your baby mother say Nicholas not there, yeah. Jesus Christ, so no careful when I lie down with me. I tell you no because I want next decade what a problem I got the pound the back. When nobody make the same mistake with me I make. Careful when I have sex with, careful who are coming out. No can't say me never want to, no can't stay there laugh. You can't say me never want to, so no stay there laugh. Me not take no phone from Nicholas. Me not hide Nicholas. Nicholas have him on a phone. Look, a boy probably play a game with the boy. Them and I don't want to talk to nobody. Cause when Nicholas play a game and I play football and I play this, not even me, not even stop to talk to him. I say the game, I go dead in the game and all kind of something. Why it have to be me? I take the phone from him. All him man and tell him say Nicholas not there, yeah. So man. And some could have terrible, so. Man could have awful, so. If you come out from my back now, man. Come out from back and allow me, man. Allow me now, man. Allow me now, man. I can talk all kind of things about you, but this is not about it. I just try to show you. So enough time you get up on the internet and you want me to talk all kind of things and you just provoke my spirit, you provoke me come, you provoke me go, because you want me to talk all kind of things and you have the worst things to say. Nicholas not there, yeah. Him not in here, him not there, yeah. Me not hide him now when me not have no phone I take from him. Nicholas not there, yeah. I not play a game with the little boy time. I said the little boy gonna have little fun somewhere, little boy there somebody yard. No, house a tear down. The things them a move out, the kids them not here. So I wanna give my baby father the message, me I beg you, please, I wanna have a good day. Lisa Hannah, I love you. Big up yourself, mama. I don't know, I can't do like you, come here, two different fish. When you when you can calm down and talk and be resilient, I'm nice. I don't know if you do it, I don't know, I give me ignorant, I don't know if you calm down. So nobody come call me and tell me, sir. You tell me, I tell you not to do those stuff. I can't sleep in my bed. Because the man tell life on me. I let off the steam the way me ignorant I boil up in me. I don't want dead in my sleep the way me ignorant. Yo! I come up alive. I love you guys.
Yeah, man, so them some days she was saying people, isn't me? Brawling, isn't me? And she show up in ways way more differently and thing, but it was me, because I really like the mix up thing when it comes to family and relationship, because them have a bit. So, like when I create a thing that so them have be, is me end of the day, is me people, so just figure me to share that though, but different is still please consider and subscribe if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, big up YouTube, and bless up.